and welcome to a new apartment makeover series. So I moved into this 87 square meter loft apartment, and you guys, this is like double the size of my previous condo, so just imagine my excitement in decorating this whole space. But anyway, my plan for this space is to decorate it according to my lifestyle. And by the way, if you're new here in my channel, I am a student and content creator at the same time, so I really want this place to be cohesive with, you know, everything that's going on with my life. So for my color palette, I decided to go and stick with my usual pastel colors. I'm going for, you know, light, easy on the eyes, no bright colors type of stuff, and with silver accents, since parang medyo industrial vibe kasi yung loft na to, so I wanted to match the vibe with that. And it was such a tough decision for me because I keep on doing polls on Instagram, what should I go for, if neutrals ba or pastel. But then I realized that, you know what, I'm only young once in my life, so I'm going to, you know, go for neutrals na lang when I have a family and we have our own home already. A lot of you guys also said that it wouldn't be my place without the pastel colors, so here it goes. Here are the pieces that I am eyeing on, and to be honest with you guys, I really want to retain most of the furniture pieces that I got from my previous condo. Doon ko na-realize na para less gastos na rin, and also I genuinely love all of the furniture that we got from our previous place, so I am retaining all of those. A lot of you guys are also asking what is the theme called. I think it's called Danish Pastel Aesthetic, but I tried to add my own touch into it by adding Y2K pieces and also yung mga retro or vintage vibe na pieces na nakukuha ko through thrifting. And ayun, parang fusion lang siya of all the things that I like, and I just, you know, cross my fingers that it will look cohesive. This is what the apartment looks like empty. I've been envisioning this kitchen and dining area to have this long kitchen white counter with beautiful long shelves as well. And then on the living area, I've been wanting to get my dream TV. It's the Samsung Serif one. I've been wanting that TV for so long, and maybe we're gonna get it in this video. Maybe yes, maybe not. Let's see. For the storage area, feeling ko magkakaroon ng separate episode on how I would, you know, organize the laundry and storage area. I also want to paint the handrails of the stairs into white. And you guys, let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about, you know, filling this space up with some plants? I am so torn kasi hindi ko alam kung makalat ba yung vibe or bedroom area. I think you guys saw this already in my previous vlog. I made the smaller room into my bedroom because I think it was just functional that way, because I will be turning the master's bedroom into a closet slash studio area. Since I decided to retain most of my furniture already for this series, I'll be, you know, focusing more on DIY stuff and, you know, thrifting decorative pieces to add a personal touch into my space and make it look more unique. And I'll be giving you guys some tips and take you along with me. So without further ado, let's go to IKEA.
Ladies and gentlemen, Maxwell Landry and the Ceramics. Oh baby, first you make your dough and you roll out the crust. While we're working on the lattice, I'm my butter, yeah. Number two, you mix the berries and the sugar into a pot. Don't you worry, baby, I got sugar for you.
Oh my god, this is so pretty.
Blackberry pie.
This setup reminds me of my childhood. Lagi kong kadate si Papa nun.
King, the meatballs taste like Jollibee.
Yeah, super favorite ko yung lumpiang toge. As in.
Your season of occupation. It's time to send in your application.
You guys, I told you I have an obsession with lamps. Like literally, I can't get enough of them. It's so nice. This is so pretty. I want it. This gold one is so pretty. I want this.
Ashley, you want it or you need it?
I need it.
Let's clock out, you and me. Wander around West County. Take my hand, shop and see. Only get paid hourly. arrived. Employee discounts would be our fault when we make our money and spend it all. Since we're working retail at the mall.
Okay, we're done!
Yay!
We're gonna get my dream TV!
Yeah!
Yeah!
Yay!
Gaya namin lagi nila siya din. Yeah! Hindi ko magaya, gawin niya nga.
Yay! Ito ba yung 55? Ito ba yun?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Sabi ko kasama to.
Libre.
Libre to. Libre pero ipapalo muna sa'yo.
Kuya, anong vlog mo?
J-Ride Motovlog.
I-like mo ito vlog. Subscribe!
Kailangan mapamotor niya ako, di ba? Kailangan mapanonood ako, kailangan mapamotor niya ako. Yes! Kaya mo?
Opo.
Sige, mahal to. Sige ba?
Clean, sleek look. Use the cable holder to securely attach the cables to the
Kaya maraming pihit.
May problema?
Ano?
Hindi ako makatayo.
Help ko kayo.
Dito ka sa kabila.
So this is our new TV. This is the Samsung Serif 55 inches TV. Grabe guys, dream TV ko talaga to. I don't know how many times I said TV, but anyway, this is the star of the show right now. And yung original design niya talaga, it comes with a stand. And you guys, the moment that I saw this in the internet, I think way back pa siya papunta dito sa Philippines. I've been eyeing on this one for so long already. I've been really debating on putting this stand or not. But I think it would defeat the, original design of it if I don't put it. Kasi gusto ko rin sana maglagay ng additional storage kasi ang pangit tignan ng wifi ko dito. So yeah, I'm so happy. Sobrang saya ko kasi lagi lang ako nanonood ng Netflix using my phone. Ang ganda niya, grabe. Just look at how sleek the remote is as well. And you can also do this. Play Totally Spies on Netflix. Oops, I have to log in with. Hala! Nakita niyo, nakiki-Netflix lang ako kay Sean. Let's just watch my vlogs. Play Ashley Garcia on YouTube. Not skipping on my own ads. I need to pay my bill. And also, I just want to show you guys the back part. As in, walang cords sa likod. Naka-conceal lang yung nag-iisa. But this is what it looks like at the back. It looks so neat. So the desk finally arrived, and I actually got this from an Instagram shop, but it's also available on Shopee. I'll be linking it down below in the description box. I got this because I thought that it would fit perfectly sa theme na I'm trying to go for, since they're like silver accents to, match the industrial vibe of this loft, but at the same time, andun yung gusto ko na rounded corners or edges. Actually, I was debating between, making this like a sitting area, like kukuha ko ng lazy boy or yung magandang klaseng couch. Tapos ito yung view habang nag-work ako sa laptop ko. Pero na-realize ko, mas ma-ROI ko yung view na to. Kasi ang ganda talaga, promise. Mas ma-ROI ko tong view na to kapag dito ako lagi nag-edit or, gumagawa ng homework, nag-aaral. Para diba hindi nakaka-drain pag nagtatrabaho. They're like moving cars, I see the city, but at the same time, sobrang ganda ng nature here on my side. Ayun, I'm so excited to work! Oh my gosh! I've never felt this excited to work. So, I'm gonna do a quick IKEA haul so you guys know what are the things that I got in their store. I didn't get a lot of stuff. Like, talagang nakapikit lang ako on some parts. Sabi ko, hindi ako bibili. The more that I keep accumulating stuff here, parang sisigip lang ng sisigip. So, I was like, no, I don't need that chair. I don't need that table. So I don't need those stuff already. And I went there originally for this thing. Yeah. I think this is called the Mulig clothing bar of IKEA. Grabe guys, nag-order ako nito online. Hindi kasi IKEA yung pinag-orderan ko. Tapos na-scam ako worth 4,600. So, medyo masakit. And yun, napag-decidean ko na pumunta na lang ako ng IKEA Pasay para sa clothing bars. And it turns out, it's only for 390 pesos. As in, 600 plus kasi yung kuha ko dito online. So, ayun. Lesson learned, double check the main supplier. And I also got this Riga clothing rack. And gusto ko yung mga clothing rack ng IKEA because they're really good quality. And I've been wanting something that has wheels on it para pwede ko siyang i-drag all over my closet. So, yeah. And then I also got this fake plant. I ended up buying a fake plant already because I can't maintain the pothos one kasi gusto ko yung plant na nagtitrail siya para I think it would be perfect for the kitchen area kasi di ba may shelf ako doon. So that would like give life to the space. Give life pero patay yung plant. Ano ba talaga sis? And then I also got these lint rollers, mga random things na nakukuha sa IKEA. So kuha ko dito para sa second floor and then sa baba and then ito sa car. So madali, easy access siya. And then I also got this lamp and its name is Forza. I don't know if I'm mispronouncing it, but I got this one since I think it would perfectly match my desk. Hi guys, so I'm currently watching Gilmore Girls and I grabbed my mask and I think I'm just gonna show you guys the night mode of the apartment so far. So yeah.
Você viu só que amor, nunca vi coisa assim. E passo nem parou, mas olho só pra mim. Se voltar vou atrás, vou pedir, vou falar, vou contar o que é amor. Foi feito em um prata. Olha, é como verão, quente o coração. Salta de repente só pra ver a menina que vem. Ela vem, sempre tem esse mano olhar e vai bem te aquecer. Nunca tem que amar, hoje sim.
Listen to my girl.